Welcome to MyAssignmentHelp. Let's navigate this educational journey together. Say goodbye to homework stress and hello to tailored assistance designed just for you. Our task is to design a PDA that accepts the given language and use JFLAP to demonstrate the acceptance of 3 accepted and 3 rejected strings. Let's move further. The solution you're looking for is on its way. So stay tuned, keep watching, and let's unravel the insights together. Before designing PDA, let's demystify the essence of PDA. It is a powerful technique for formal language recognition. PDAs can recognize a wider range of languages than finite state machines, making them useful for modeling more complex syntactic structures. They are particularly well suited for languages that involve nested structures or require matching pairs of symbols. Let's first identify the structure of the language. The language provided presence strings crafted with 2 distinct symbols. Now, the enchanting part lies in the pattern each string adheres to. It's a symphony of tuan as followed by 3 Bs, where n is an integer greater than or equal to 0. Our next step is to define the PDA components. Our PDA is a maestro with 4 states. Q0 is the start. Queen validates tuan, Q2 ensures 3 and Q3 marks our triumphant end. The stack wields symbols for a count. As for the input, it's a dance between the characters A and B. After defining the components, let's create transition function. Since we already defined the components, now let's create transition function. Here is the PDA descriptions as show. Kuzi were. The journey begins here, pushing A onto the stack with every A encountered, guiding us to Q. As unfold, A gets stacked for each, gracefully moving us to Q2 when encountering E or B. Q2. The stage for processing BS, elegantly popping BS. A move to Q3 awaits if the stack empties after E, lingering in Q2 otherwise. Q3 acceptance graces the string when Q3 is reached with an empty stack after navigating all input symbols. Already the function created. Now it needs to be verified using JFLAP for getting output. JFLAP stands as our virtuoso, a tool tailored for PDA design and simulation. To set the stage, the first step is to input the key components into JFLAP, states, symbols, and transition functions. Secondly, for testing, let's utilize JFLAP to examine the PDA's verdict on acceptance and rejection, unveiling its prowess with different strings. Thus, these steps will unveil the acceptance or rejection, offering insights into how well our PDA machine interprets and processes the input strings. Here is the output we got from verifications in JFLAP. The strings accepted and rejected are shown below. The rejection is due to extra as symbol order issues or an odd account. The PDA's precision ensures only the perfectly aligned symphonies find approval. In the light of our design and observations, we designed PDA for the given language. The integration of 2 stack symbols facilitates straightforward verification of the AB ratio. The visualization in JFLAP not only confirms the functionality, but also serves as a valuable tool, enhancing comprehension of the operations. In need of prompt assignment help and homework support, our dedicated team is here to support you with quality guidance and resources, making academic success a shared journey. Connect with us for all your assignment needs.